what is left mesh and right mesh in Deco per spline point manager in PBG. System never seems to not use the meshes and the indexes of left mesh, right? Now, so the Deco mesh spline property is to basically add props to a static mesh. Now, in the lectures, the left mesh and the right mesh is basically the different area of the building, right? And if you want to, you can actually apply a Deco mesh to the left hand side and it will get added to the left side of a building mesh depending on if you have added the left mesh for the building, right? If the left mesh for your building is present, then only then the deco mesh will be applied to the left hand side of your building, right? And alternatively, I will suggest you to use the other method of adding deco in a static mesh. It can be within itself, like adding like a child, and then add them to your building, which would be easier, which is actually explained in the lecture as well. Check the documentation chapter deco per socket. Again, it has already been explained in the lecture. You can just rewatch it, right? So make sure that the mesh of the left mesh of the building is present so that you can add a deco over there, right? Or as I said, alternatively, you can just use the another method of adding the deco to a static mesh itself, and then you can just add that static mesh to your building, right? It is kind of an hack that you can use.